How to delete search history on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to delete search history on YouTube app. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube application on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Now you can tap the search icon at top right corner of your screen. And these are all your search history. You can come back and head to the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to the gear icon at top right corner to access setting page. Now select your data in YouTube under account section. So here you can easily browse or delete your YouTube activity. Scroll down and here is the YouTube watch history, and when you scroll a bit down here you will see all your YouTube search history. Scroll down, tap manage your YouTube search history. Now tap on the delete icon at bottom right corner of your screen and here you can easily delete any date. Suppose if I want to delete of all time, you can delete all time by tapping on it. Now tap delete at bottom right to confirm and tap on got it. Once done, you can easily head toward YouTube again and refresh the feed once. Once done, tap the search bar or icon at top right. Now you can easily see that there is no search history available on YouTube app. So in this way you can successfully delete and clear YouTube search history. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.